This is a turnkey deal, turnkey property. Everything is in good condition. It is ready for you to start making some money. As far as the Euclid point of sale, we've already gone through all that, fixed any and all violations. So this property is coming to you completely point of sale violation clear, totally ready to rock and roll. All right, y'all, got a nice one for you today. Well, technically two, I guess. Sort of, kind of, right? 25410 and 25420 Lakeshore Ave, Euclid. All right, this is a side-by-side duplex coming to you at $139,999. Now, it's actually technically two single-family homes, right? Which is very unique, honestly, probably just to like Euclid. I think there's a couple that are built like this and deeded like this, like on the west side of Cleveland that I've worked with throughout my career. But most of the time, whenever there's like a duplex, right, whether it be up, down, or side by side, it's one parcel, it's one property, despite having two separate mailing addresses and two units. However, Euclid has like a bunch of these little brick ones that are not that way. They were actually set up and deeded where either side is its own single-family home. Obviously, they share a wall. Now, what is available for sale here is both of them for a total of $139,999. For anybody that's trying to ask, no, let me cut you off right there. No, you cannot buy just half of it from us at this time. The seller, we are selling both. You got to buy them both. You don't get to buy half. We're keeping them together, both of them, $139,999, okay? Currently, we got a tenant in one of them. She's paying $9.25, and her lease is good till the end of November 2025. And at that point, you definitely probably need to hit her up with a rent increase, right? Because market rent on these units is about $10.75. And as you can see from the footage of the unit that we have vacant, ready to rock and roll, they are in great shape, okay? This is a turnkey deal, turnkey property. Everything is in good condition. It is ready for you to start making some money. As far as the Euclid point of sale, we've already gone through all that, fixed any and all violations. So this property is coming to you completely point of sale violation clear, totally ready to rock and roll. One tenant paying just a little bit under market rent. Easy to get that up. And then, of course, the vacant unit is looking good. If you're interested in making an offer on this bad boy, send it to my team, sales@holtonwise.com. You want to pay cash? That's awesome. Include your proof of funds with your email to us. You want to finance it? Cool. You need a lender? We'll give you lenders. If you got your own lenders, great. When you send us that email, just make sure you include your pre-approval letter. And actually, before you even get to that point, if you want to tour the vacant unit, get yourself in there, we can go ahead and do that for you. Just send us an email. We'll get you in there same business day if you hit us before 5 o'clock. If you hit us after 5 o'clock, we'll get you in there the next business day. And for those of you that are out of state and can't physically tour that unit, stick around right now, because what I'm going to do is take you to the complete unedited, unfiltered, unbroken up video tour when my team was out there on site, because we are all about providing you guys as much transparency as possible, so you'll be able to see everything that vacant unit has got going on, the outside, everything. The only thing we didn't get inside of was the occupied unit, because we take great pride in not bothering the hell out of the tenants, okay? But don't worry, you'll be able to inspect that unit after we put the property under contract. We can't just be disturbing our tenants for, looky-loos and people thinking they're going to become investors. Once you put some skin in the game, put it under contract, put up some earnest money, then and only then are we going to disturb the tenants, right? We're not able to collect friggin' $925 or, $1075 from people if we got a bunch of, investors bothering the hell out of them. That's not how we do business at Holton Wise. So know that going into this, right? You're not going to disturb my tenant unless you have skin in the game. Stick around, watch that unedited video tour right now.
And here we are at 25420 Lakeshore. Oh, I can't fucking see what I'm looking at. Nice brick side by side. Turn my light on. Knock, knock, open up the doors here. Fresh carpet throughout. Very nice. More windows. This place has got it all. Little dining area nook. You want to take the boxes?
Yeah, we'll do it separately though, because I think we're just gonna
What are you doing with them?
the boxes?
Yeah.
Are we keeping them?
Oh, no, I guess not.
I'll leave them in the garage. If you want to keep them both and want to trash them out, trash them out.
Sounds good to me. Excuse me. Oh, that's creepy. Peekaboo. Yeah, outside.
Outside.
Okay. Yeah, it's 2 beds. All right.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.